Hi guys, welcome to this episode. Today I'm going to be talking about the filming mode. So this mode in manual mode. So I'm working with an EOS 250D, and I'm just going to show you the settings that are available to you within this entry-level model of Canon EOS 250D. So all you need to do is click on this Q button to record, press the Q button to stop recording. This camera is touchscreen, so if you click on the screen, I'll go set. Click on set, and it will give you all the options to control the various features. So 4K, for example. So if you want to shoot in 4K, you got your 25 frames per second, 1080, or your 720. So you got your 4K over here. So you click on that, and it allows you to change your 4K. If you click on this one, you got movie digital IS. I think what this is camera shake. So it reduces the camera shake on your camera. So that's quite useful. Then you got your white balance for your filming mode. So you can change your white balance, ambient mode, priority mode. Click on that icon, takes you back to the beginning. S for picture style. So you got your portrait, your landscape, your fine detail, your neutral, etc., etc., etc. So that's that. You've got this one, optimal auto light optimizer. Oh, it doesn't really allow you to do anything. The only thing it allows you to do is just click on it and give you some info. So yeah, so those are your settings. You can sort of click on this, zoom in, zoom into a visual whilst in film mode. So if you click on set, you can sort of go there and sort of play around with the various settings that you have available in filming mode. If you click on your info mode, I am still in film mode. You can actually change your shutter. So like this, for example, and when you click on that, your f-stop, so you can also change that as well, and your exposure compensation, you can change that as well, and I assume your ISO as well, which you can change as well. So this is all in film mode. So info, you click on these icons, you can change your shutter mode, you can go to ISO and increase the decrease the ISO, and your shutter over here as well. So that's all happening in my film mode, and I'm able to also change the aperture, ISO, and shutter mode by clicking on this button. And if I want to change the various things in terms of AF selection for the 4K to 1080, I click on this set button and I can change all those settings there. So yeah, filming mode in manual mode on this Canon 250D. Thanks for watching, guys. See you for the next one.